Hi, this is your teacher Abi and welcome to High English. Today we're going to cook breakfast at nighttime. Okay, well anyway, I'm going to cook corned beef tonight. So for our ingredients, we need corned beef, canned corned beef, onions, and potatoes. Why do you call it corned beef when it has beef but it doesn't have corn? Okay, so let me tell you the history of corned beef. Corned beef started in the 17th century in Ireland. So the Irish people put salt in the beef to preserve it. The corn in corned beef refers to the salt, like big salt, like kernels of salt that they use in preserving the beef. That's why it's called corned beef. Okay. I learned that just now when I researched about corned beef for this video. Okay, so I want this video to also be informative. So we learn something new. All of us learn something new. Okay, so to prepare our ingredients, we have potatoes. Okay, so let's talk about potatoes. There's an idiom. Okay, it's couch potato. Couch potato is a person who's always watching TV. Okay, so I say on Sundays, I am a couch potato. I watch Netflix all day long. Okay, what is the opposite of couch potato? It's mouse potato. Mouse potato is a person who's always in front of the computer. Okay? So, on weekdays, that's Monday to Friday, I am a mouse potato because I have to work 24/7. Okay? All the time, I'm in front of my laptop. I'm a mouse potato on weekdays and a couch potato on weekends, especially on Sundays. But of course, that's a joke. I work 24/7, 7 days a week. Because I need to. Or because I feel a sense of fulfillment when I'm working. And when I'm not working, I feel like I'm wasting my time. Okay, well anyway. So let's do our corned beef. Have I explained everything? Yes, I have. So onions. I'm going to peel off the skin of the onion. So I always say when the person is onion skinned, the person is sensitive. Okay, the person easily gets hurt. Okay. Now let's slice the onions. Let's chop the onions. I can't show you how I chop because my cell phone stand is not working well. You know, you just use your imagination while I slice the onions and the potatoes. Anyway, this is not a cooking show. This is really an English lesson show. So you don't really need to see what I do every step of the way. We have our chopped onions and potatoes. Now we're going to heat the pan. Wait. Okay, so did you hear that beep sound? That's the induction. It means it's on. I have to get my ladle. Okay, so we have to put the oil in the pan. Next, we wait until it's hot before we put the potatoes. Okay, so first we put the potatoes when the oil is hot enough. There is an idiom called small fry. Small fry is like an insignificant thing or insignificant person. So some people try to become relevant in your life. But actually, they're just small fry. He's just a small fry in my life. Why should I think about him? So let's now fry the potatoes. Okay. Here. Okay, so there's smoke coming out from the pan. Okay, So we are now frying the potatoes. Next, we put the onions. We now put the onions. When it's translucent, we now put the corned beef. So I'm now frying the corned beef with the onions and potatoes. So we have learned mouse potato, couch potato, small fry, small fry, the person who's insignificant or something that's insignificant. And we have also learned the history of corned beef. Okay, so that's it for tonight, and thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
What do you mean by couch potato? A type of vegetable grown in couches. B, a person who spends a lot of time sitting or lying on a couch watching television. C, a small electronic device used for tracking couch movements. D, a type of potato specifically bred to be grown indoors. The correct answer is B, a person who spends a lot of time sitting or lying on a couch watching television. What do you mean by mouse potato? A small rodent commonly found near computer desks. B, a person who spends excessive time using a computer or browsing the internet. C, a computer accessory designed to resemble a potato. D, a type of potato used as a computer mouse in some countries. The correct answer is B, a person who spends excessive time using a computer or browsing the internet. What do you mean by small fry? A type of seafood dish popular in coastal regions. B, a term used to describe young children. C, someone or something of little importance or significance. D, a method of cooking small pieces of food in hot oil. The correct answer is C, someone or something of little importance or significance.